Alright guys, just finished up practice. Came over here to the Airbnb. Over here on Lake Ouachita for the second stop of the Anvil Bass Club tournament. We got Landon out there. And we got Daniel. Old Daniel Roman. Maumelle King over there. That's the Maumelle King. We got Landon's boat right here. Daniel gets to go in the garage because he's special. And you got my boat right here. But yeah guys, had a pretty good practice today. I had a pretty good practice and Daniel had a pretty good practice. Landon didn't catch a fish, but we gave him some tips, so maybe he'll figure something out. But me and Daniel both caught like 14, 15. So looking pretty good right now. Hopefully we can capitalize on that and catch 16, 17 tomorrow. I didn't fish super hard and I found a lot of spots, so gonna be a lot of trolling motor on high speed, running around, shaking that manner. But yeah guys, this is the Airbnb. Boom, look at that. Living room right here. A TV, you know. Roku so we can watch. Oh, my girlfriend made brownies. I got some burnt, but anyway. This is, I don't know if they're both sleeping here or not, but there's a room for one of them. Bathroom. You got my room right here, the master suite. Got the old dryer, washer, kitchen, pantry. Mysterious door, don't know what it goes to. And then you got this room up there. It's another bedroom. It's sketch. We tried putting Landon up there. I don't know if he's gonna sleep up there or not. He might sleep in the same room as Daniel. So we'll see. Yeah guys, getting rigged up here. Only about 10 minutes away from the boat ramp, so gonna try to launch around 5:30 in the morning. Motor on around there and shake the old minnow all day. Yeah guys, see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, we're out here on the water. About to put the cowboy hat on, but it's cold, so I got my ears covered because I'm ready to take off. Yeah guys, super calm today. We're gonna go, goal is 15 pounds today. We'll see what we do on that. A lot of people are saying it's tough, so we'll see how it goes. We're gonna lock a minnow in our hand all day and chase those fish that are on bait balls and roam in and see how it goes. I'll see y'all out there. Good one. Freaking 2.5. There could be 3. It's close. Alright. Okay. Go ahead. Oh. Oh, 302. .302 for fish number 1, guys. Great way to start the day, right there. Oh my gosh. I'll take those all day. Would not mind that. small one, but we'll put them in there for now. I mean, it's like a pound and a half, it's not tiny, but almost 2, pound and 3/4 for number 2. We got 2 for like 15. Or, sorry, 2 for like 5. Not 15, that would be crazy. Camera wasn't recording. It's another good one. I'm not gonna weigh him yet, because there's another one. Got another one. It's not as big. Okay, now we'll weigh them. That one's gonna have to go for sure. Yeah, pound and a half. That's gonna have to go. Let's weigh this one real quick. Another 3. We have 4 for 9.5. Oh, why did I just boat flip that? Oh my gosh. I just boat flipped that on spinning reel. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful fish. Look at all the spots. That's crazy. That's crazy. Fish number 5, and it's like another 3, 3.5. 3.5. We have 13 and we have still like a 1 pounder in there, pound and a halfer. That's crazy. Another 3.5, guys. That's crazy. Takes out number 4. We have 15 out of 3. We still have one that's under 2 pounds. Oh, buddy. Uh-oh. Do what? Really? I just caught a 3.5. I got 15, and I still have one that's under 2. There's my 16 pounds. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Oh my. $16.04, and this one's under 3. Do what? I got 2 3.5s. All right, guys, video wasn't going, but caught another one. Three and a half. $17. Let's do it, bro. Out of the same cove? Dude. This is insane, guys. We have 17 pounds and it's like 10:30. It's time to get serious. Oh, God. Oh, shoot. Might be a big one. Oh yeah, boy. How big that? I don't know. I'm gonna weigh it. Is it 4? 4 at least. Uh-oh. Thought he's a striper. Yeah. That was bad. Yeah. He might go 5. Where's my scale? Oh. Look at that one, guys. Oh, mate, yeah. Hold on. Oh, he's a 4. Oh. Yep. What you got now? Almost 18. Cole's out number uno. Look at that Cole. That's crazy. I'm calling that. Yeah. he's not as big as I thought. He's not big. Just a 3. Not gonna help. I started to see the boats moving, and he's up there towing me because I can't get the motor started. I have no power to it. I don't know if there's something, wires are messed up or what, but we tried jumping it, everything, can't get it to start. I have power to live wells, everything. So my buddy Landon Moore is towing me to Crystal Springs right over here, and then we're gonna ride in his boat to Brady with our fish. It's like, it's 2:43 and we gotta be in by 3:15, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but we're gonna try to figure it out and get over there and weigh these 18 pounds of fish in and see how we do. Hopefully we can get over there in time and not lose any weight, but we're gonna figure this boat out at some point later, so see y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, made it back to weigh in. Huge thanks to Landon Moore over there for getting us back in. But I'm gonna get a little bit of water. And oh, my leg's cramping. Why is my leg cramping? Okay. Yeah. Here's my big one. Alright guys, let's go get it.
1740.
1840, Jacob Burkhead.
All right.
Good job, dude.
There we go.
Sorry about the puppy.
That's all good.
7th place.
Alright guys, as y'all saw, 17.4 got us 8th place. Got a little check. Took 24 to win. There was like 3 people that had like 18, like right at 18, so if we could have called up just a couple more, we would have gotten up there. But anyway, got the boat back. We had to do some rigging over here to get it. So we had to pick the motor up because the trim stopped working and it won't start. So we backed up to this tree, ratchet strapped the tree to this so we can then get the motor up to put the lock on it so it doesn't fall while we're driving. Anyway, so we got to figure that out, but scoped up 1740 today. Pretty good day. Good for points this season, and caught them how I like to catch them. So huge thanks to all my sponsors, as y'all can see on this boat right here and the jersey right here. Huge thanks to all of them. Without them, I could not be doing all this. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you go like, subscribe, and follow the Instagram and stuff. I post a lot more on there than I do on here. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.